When your applications hit production and real users depend on every click, observability becomes a top priority. That is where Datadog and New Relic come into play. Both are leaders in application performance monitoring, often called APM, and both give you visibility into how your systems behave in real time. But they take slightly different approaches, and which one works best for you depends on how your team operates. Let's start with Datadog. Datadog is known for being a complete monitoring and observability platform. It brings together metrics, traces, logs, and even security data under one roof. For teams running complex, distributed systems, think containers, microservices, and multiple cloud environments, Datadog shines because it shows how everything connects. The dashboard is intuitive and easy to customize. You can monitor infrastructure performance, visualize application dependencies, and trace requests across services all in one view. Datadog's APM captures detailed transaction traces and automatically highlights slow services or problem areas. Its real strength lies in correlation. You can jump from a high-level performance chart straight into the specific logs or traces that caused an issue, which makes troubleshooting much faster. Now let's talk about New Relic. New Relic is one of the pioneers in application performance monitoring and has evolved into a full observability platform. It offers metrics, logs, traces, and synthetic monitoring all in one place. Very similar in scope to Datadog, but New Relic takes a slightly more developer-focused approach. Its interface centers on performance insights, code-level diagnostics, and clear visualizations that help engineers pinpoint issues fast. One of New Relic's biggest advantages is its unified pricing model. Instead of charging per feature, New Relic charges based on the number of users and the amount of data ingested. That means teams can explore all of its capabilities: APM, logs, infrastructure monitoring, browser analytics, and more, without worrying about hidden add-ons. This makes it attractive for organizations that want predictable costs while still using advanced observability tools. So how do you decide between them? If your goal is ease of use, fast setup, and strong visualization across infrastructure, logs, and applications, Datadog is hard to beat. It is designed for speed and clarity, and it works especially well for teams managing cloud-native environments. In the end, both Datadog and New Relic are top-tier APM platforms built for serious observability. Datadog wins on simplicity and integration, while New Relic wins on developer insight and cost transparency. No matter which one you choose, both will give you the confidence to keep your production systems running smoothly and your users happy.